So I'll be showing you how to change the wallpaper for your home screen and the lock screen of your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for other iPhones, at least the ones running iOS 16 and even iPad. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to wallpaper, tap on that, and then you should see all the wallpapers that you have for both the lock screen and the home screen. Okay, see that these are all the ones I've used before. Now if you move to the extreme right, you should see the option for new, and this is where you're going to customize a new wallpaper. So this one is for the lock screen and this one is for the home screen. So just go to that, just tap on that, and then you can choose from any of these pre-made lock screen wallpapers. Maybe let's say, for instance, you want to choose this one, okay? Or if you want to choose, or if you want to use one of the photos in your gallery, just tap on photos at the top. That takes you into your gallery and you can choose from there, okay? You can just choose from one of the photos in your gallery what you want. So let's say, for instance, I want to choose this one for astronomy, okay? So I'll tap on that and I can allow when using the app, and you can see that's a very good astronomy wallpaper for the lock screen. Tap on add, and then it's going to ask you, do you want to set as wallpaper pair? By wallpaper pair, it means this is going to be the wallpaper for both the lock screen and the home screen. So if you want that, then just choose set as wallpaper pair. If you want to customize the home screen, just tap on that, and then you can choose a different wallpaper for the home screen. So again, you have different colors you can choose from. You have the pair option. You have you can go into the photos app and choose a photo from your gallery like this one. Tap on done, and that's your new wallpaper for the home screen, and then tap done, and now we have created a wallpaper for both the lock screen and the home screen, and it says current at the top here, which means that's our current wallpaper. So now if you go to the home screen, that's what it looks like, and if you go to the lock screen, that's what it looks like. Okay, so that's basically how to change the wallpaper for your lock screen and your home screen, at least separately, on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.